Do you want to look more confident in video, or do you want to create professional looking video with just your smartphone? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how. For the past 6 years, I've really focused on DIY content, and now I'm taking it a step further and showing you what I'm really passionate about, and that is storytelling and video confidence. For the past 20 years, I have spent it on screen and behind the camera as a morning show co-host and news anchor. And then I became a DIY content creator. And then I made the leap to entrepreneur when I became a mom. And now I'm sharing my greatest tips and tools to help you become confident in video. So if you like this, stick around. If this resonates with you, give this video some love. I really appreciate, and subscribe for more.